Hello, I'm Lianne, the Customer Success Manager here at DisplayNote, and today I'm going to walk you through the latest update for teachers, educators, and presenters. Last summer, we put out a survey to get better visibility on what users love and what should be improved within DisplayNote screen sharing. One thing that became apparent, our Connect as a Teacher users did not feel secure in leading a session. Because of this, our latest update introduces a redefinition of the Connect as a Teacher joining method, now called Control Your Session, giving teachers and educators more control and freedom when leading a session. I'm going to walk you through the changes to expect and introduce this method of connecting to those that may not already be familiar. The core update is moderator mode can now be enabled with Connect as a Teacher, or as it's now called, Controlling Your Session. This must be enabled first before connecting to a session. If you try to connect, you'll be prompted to enable this feature before proceeding. To enable this, we're going to head to our main display and go to the bottom left-hand corner at the settings. From here, we're heading to session management, and this is where we'll find the moderator mode. Now, turning this on is going to enable that invitation-only feature that we've been talking about, but it also comes with a couple of other features. So when I enable moderator mode, I can also turn on unlimited connections. What unlimited connections is going to do is it's going to allow the lobby to go from holding 4 users to up to 100. And it's also going to allow us to turn on extended grid view. And what this is the counterpart to the feature you'll see underneath the lobby called grid view. Now, grid view is a collaborative feature that allows you to invite up to 4 users at once to share their screen to really interact and engage with your audience. And extended grid view is going to allow that 4-screen view to be expanded to 9. Control Your Session is found in the same place just below the normal joining section. Currently, this is for Google users only. Once you've selected and connected, you'll see your details at the top of the join page. These will be remembered the next time you join. Now, all that's left to do is enter your session ID and your name and connect to a session. For first-time joiners, you'll be asked to confirm you're the teacher the very first time you connect to control your session. And you'll see here on the main display, I need to confirm I am the teacher. You'll now be greeted with more tools at your disposal. Firstly, you'll see that even though moderator mode is enabled, I still have my Share My Screen button. We've excluded the educator from moderation, so you no longer need to invite yourself from the main display to share. Control Your Session lets you manage the lobby directly from your device. The presenter or educator can invite, disconnect, or share their own screen without needing to interact directly with the main display, meaning you can lead the session from anywhere in the room. This also applies to grid view. I, as the teacher, can select and invite up to 4 users to share their screen at once. To do this, I go to the grid view on my laptop, and here I'll see a list of students already connected to the lobby, and I can invite them to share their screen. From the student perspective, they'll now be prompted to select some content and share it to the main screen like so. You'll also get access to remote control. Moving beyond the screen sharing session, the educator can navigate and interact with the entire display directly from their device. To do this, you're selecting remote control. From here, you'll see a duplication of your main display right onto your laptop. And from here, you can then navigate this screen sharing home screen, or you can actually minimize this and move into the home screen of the board itself. For example, turning on whiteboard. For the student perspective, their device view has one substantial difference: no Share My Screen button. Thanks to moderator mode, students will only be able to share when invited by the teacher. They'll then be prompted to select their content and share. Now we've connected, you'll see on the home screen that the teacher remains at the top of the lobby with their Google image pulled into the list. This applies if one or more teacher connects to one session, or for those that like to present at the front of the room at the display, you'll be able to select yourself to present quicker. For more information on controlling your session or anything screen share related, head to our product academy at academy.displaynote.com. Thanks for watching.